Hello, I'm Olle Ljungqvist. I'm the chairman of the ERAS Society, and it's my pleasure today to invite you to a very special celebration. It's the 10th anniversary of the ERAS Society, and we're going to celebrate that by having a global event on November the 14th, Saturday, November 14th. We're going to present to you the hottest topics in ERAS today by discussing and presenting the most relevant and important papers that have been published during the last year or so. We're going to have world experts discuss them, and we'll see. Maybe some of them will actually be telling us what we should be doing tomorrow in the care of our patients. We're going to start off in the afternoon over with ERAS Asia and Australia, move around lunchtime to ERAS Africa and the Mother Society stationed in Europe. And in the morning of the 14th, over in Latin America, we will have ERAS LATAM, and then on to a full day of ERAS USA, finishing the day. So if you're interested in doing that, and I think you should be, go to our website, erassociety.org, and you will find all the information you need and how to get registered to make sure that you can watch the best of the best today in ERAS. And if you, for some reason, cannot make it to the day, you can always become a member of the ERAS Society. Also, look at the website to find out the details, and you will be able to watch all the videos at any time you would like. On top of that, of course, you have a number of special privileges as a member, not least a rebate on our textbook that we just came out. It's behind me up there. And it's a fantastic piece of work with some of the world's best experts. But for now, please join us on November 14th to celebrate 10 years of the ERAS Society. Thank you very much and welcome.